Hello. Welcome back into another video. Now we're about to learn some jobs that start with the letter A. But before we starting, make sure to click subscribe button to support our channel. Thank you. One job that starts with the letter A is accountant. An accountant is someone who manages financial records and prepares reports about money for individuals and organizations. Accountants use their knowledge of math and finance to help their clients make informed decisions about their money. Another job that starts with the letter A is astronaut. Astronauts are people who travel into space and conduct research or perform other tasks. Astronauts undergo rigorous training and must be physically and mentally prepared for the challenges of space travel. An architect is another job that starts with the letter A. Architects are professionals who design buildings and other structures. They use their creativity and technical knowledge to create plans and drawings that bring their ideas to life. Another job that starts with the letter A is artist. Artists are people who create art, whether it be paintings, sculptures, music, or other forms of creative expression. They use their talent and imagination to bring beauty and meaning to the world around them. Remembering different jobs is an important step in learning about the many different ways people contribute to society. As you explore more letters of the alphabet, you'll discover even more fascinating jobs and professions. Please don't forget to support our channel by clicking like and subscribe buttons. Thank you.